May I have the window seat?
Oh, what a beautiful baby. Flown this way before.
Already started.
Welcome aboard Flight 223. I'd like to go over a few rules and policies before we get off the ground. The sign above me reads, "Stay seated." This is above all the most important rule. So I ask you, please, keep yourself firmly attached to your seat. Don't wander around or move about, because if you fail to comply and bring about woe, we may tase you, bro.
Stay seated!
I don't care what you want.
Stay seated!
I don't care what you need.
Stay seated!
I don't care if it hurts.
Stay seated!
'Cause you ain't seen my worst. Ha ha!
Boys and girls, it looks like we're on a rainy day schedule. Therefore, we will remain inside for the remainder of the lunch period. As a result, you will have to stay in your seats, so just continue eating your tater tots and sipping your milk, but do not get up, do not squirm around in your seat, and most of all, don't upset the lunch ladies. Or